I wish you could stand here the way I see this paradise right now. Just 90 minutes away from Metro Manila, close enough to the city, yet far enough to enjoy peace and nature. Everyone, welcome to the Philippines' first botanical themed township, Arden Botanical Estate. Good morning everyone, this is me again, Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Megaworld Alpha. Grabe guys, first of all, gusto ko lang i-feel yung vibe nitong township, the Arden Botanical Estate. And of course, wala rin naman ako talagang masabi because this is Megaworld's 25th township here in the south. So after the Maple Grove, nilaunch namin itong 251 hectare township. So as you can see, right now, I'm here in the Arden Cafe, which is part of the commercial district ni Arden Botanical Estate. So later, ipapakita ko sa inyo how it looks like in the township, but let's just appreciate first itong Arden Cafe natin. As you can see behind me, so this will be the main spine of this township. So this main spine will be a 6-meter lane road, and a 30-meter wide road. And dito matatagpuan yung mga commercial district ni Arden. And then later, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo how it looks like and what will be the development inside this township. But grabe, it's so nice, and let's just appreciate the quietness, the laid-back vibe of this township. And of course, we Megaworld would like to thank Mr. Paulo Alcazaren, the designer of this township, Arden Botanical Estate. He is a renowned urban planner and the architect of this very beautiful Arden. And he is also the man behind the famous landmarks in the Philippines such as Bellevue Hotel, Iloilo Esplanade, Makati Urban Patio. And with that, now, Megaworld's vision to make this Arden Botanical Village come to life. This is one of a kind right now in the Philippines, and grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. Thank you to Architect Paulo Alcazaren. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa entrance nitong Arden Botanical Estate. So this 251 hectare master plan township with balanced allocation from different township features, residential village, mixed-use commercial district, lifestyle and leisure zone, institutional areas, parks and open spaces. More than half of the township is dedicated to residential and leisure communities, while the remaining land is devoted to commercial, recreational, and institutional developments. These integrated designs allow residents to experience live, work, play, learn lifestyle within one master plan community. So this is the township main entry and avenue. So as you can see, this is the Governor's Drive. So upon entering of this Governor's Drive, you will be greeted by this 6-lane road, no? Or 3-line road natin. And ang maganda dito, as you can see in this master plan map, this will be the commercial area or the commercial district. Wherein, no, itong mga vacant lot na to, this will be the commercial and retail area. So soon, no, magkakaroon dito ng different shops, different stores where the residents of the Arden Estate will have shops, restaurants, no, and other necessities na kailangan nila dito sa community. And also, after this, no, yung town center naman natin will be behind or beside this main spine, no. And etong main spine na to, nandito po ang ating shop house districts, which are the commercial lots for sale. So, this entire main spine will be one of the busiest area or busiest part of this township. So guys, no, again, ito yung commercial hub or commercial district nitong Arden Botanical Estate. And as you can see, lahat ng mga vacant lot dito is soon to be a retail shops, arcaded and alfresco retail areas. So think about the Burger Circle. So ayan siya. So imagine, no, just like how MegaWorld envisioned this to be a busy shops, restaurants, coffee shop, where people and the community are socialized. Dito sila kumakain, naglalaro, bumibili ng mga necessities nila. That's how it is in the future. So dito, ang mga residents, hindi na kayo mamumroblema. This will be soon to be one of the main attractions din kasi MegaWorld will create something beautiful here in this alfresco and arcaded area. So now, let's proceed dun sa ating other township feature. So guys, no, galing tayo sa harap, which is the commercial hub or commercial district of this township. Now, no, as you can see dito sa ating township map, pagpasok mo, nandito naman tayo sa may bridge nitong si Arden Botanical Estate. Wherein, no, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, dito sa side na to, andito yung flower farm natin. So I just want you to see, no, kung paano nagko-connect itong township through this massive or yung 6 lanes nating main spine nitong township. And then, no, pagpasok natin dito, guys, yung mga nakikita nyo na mga lots dito sa side nitong 6 lanes, these are the shop house district of this Arden Botanical Estate. So, as you can see also, yung mga lights natin dito, these are solar lights. As our township promotes sustainability, true to its botanical theme, Arden Botanical Estate will feature a variety of nature-inspired attractions. Key botanical highlights include flower farm, flower tunnel, children's garden, lotus ponds, organic gardens, water features, and natural rivers surrounding the township. These natural elements create a relaxing environment where residents can enjoy scenic gardens, walking paths, and nature-inspired landscapes throughout the township. So we're here right now at Arden Botanical Village. Later, i-discuss ko sa inyo the full details nitong village natin. But before we go to that, let's discuss first the macro perspective of this township and this location. So again, now going back to sa screen, this village is located inside the Arden Botanical Estate along the main avenue. It is 2 to 3 minutes away from the Governor's Drive, 10 to 15 minutes away you can reach already the Calax Governors Drive interchange. So guys, if napanood nyo yung una kong vlog about sa Calax, meron tayong Governors Drive na malapit lang dito if you want to go to South Luzon Expressway or Cavite Expressway back to Manila. And of course, this is only 1.5 drive to Makati BGC or Metro Manila. It's only 25 to 30 minutes going to Tagaytay. And going to Nasugbu, Batangas coast, it will only take you 1.5 hours via Cavite, Tagaytay, Batangas Expressway connections. Ideal for beach trips and leisure escapes. Connectivity is effortless. The village is just minutes from the upcoming Bataan Link Bridge. This master plan community spans 251 hectares of land, making it one of the largest integrated township developments in Cavite. This landmark project is jointly developed by Megaward Corporation and Global Estate Resorts Incorporated with estimated 18 billion investment plan for over 15 years. And guys, gusto ko lang i-highlight sa inyo na si Mega World, sobrang galing lang din talaga niya mag-develop and mag-master plan ng mga township communities. Just like how he bring the Venice Grand Canal from Italy to the McKinley West, flash ko na lang sa screen. No, this is a project of Mega World in McKinley Hill. And now, Mega World envisioned to bring the Amsterdam vibe, no? Or the first Scandinavian vibe. That's the reason why all the house here, when it comes to guidelines and restrictions, lahat ng design ng bahay dito is Scandinavian. With that kind of vibe, we really wanted to bring the Scandinavian vibe or the Amsterdam vibe. That's the reason why they created this kind of design, no, inspired by that location, no. And all I can say, kung nagawa ni Mega World ito sa Venice Grand Canal, kayang-kaya niya rin gawin yon dito sa Arden Botanical Village. Here at Arden Botanical Village, our design philosophy starts with nature. Every slope, every lot, and every road is carefully planned to create a harmonious and functional community. We're here right now at the main clubhouse of Arden Botanical Village. So as you can see, the design is Scandinavian, and this is where people and family gather together, meet together, and celebrate life and enjoy the amenities we have inside. So ang ganda lang kasi later, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga features nitong clubhouse natin. So let's start the tour right now. You will be greeted with this high ceiling, no, reception and lobby of this clubhouse. So, as for the design, very modern and tanaw mo lahat yung mga outdoor because it's a floor-to-ceiling glass windows. No? And syempre, air-conditioned din yung buong area. So, before I proceed, no, let's start muna dito sa ground floor nitong clubhouse natin. So, in here, there are 3 function rooms. So, we have here the function room 1, but they're all connected to this area. So this is the function room of this clubhouse. And actually, dito rin ginaganap yung mga events natin. So it has 3 function rooms. Function room 1, 2, and 3, no? You can rent the first one lang muna or the second one for bigger events or combine all. And now let's proceed to the child daycare or play area. So this is the kids play area. So imagine having your kids playing here and then sa labas, no? So dami silang pwedeng gawin dito. And of course, you have here the toilet. Ang ganda lang nito kasi dahil high ceiling siya, it gives you the vibe ng malaking lugar. And dito sa second floor, dito naman located yung mga business meeting rooms natin. And one thing I appreciate in this clubhouse is this one. Meron siyang indoor garden. Ang galing nilang mag-maintain ng mga plants. This will be your meeting rooms, but then you can connect it to the other meeting rooms if you have big meetings. So, nako-combine siya. And, of course, tanaw mo dito yung mga magiging future residents ng block na ito. Galing. So, yung meeting room number 2, ayan. And now, let's proceed to the gym and dance studio. Ito naman yung gym natin, which is, if you don't have a gym at home, pwede kayo dito mag-gym, no? Doon sa mga buyers na bibili ng mga lots nila, yan, you can either have your gym inside of your house or you can use the gym here. But then, ang maganda lang dito is you can really feel and appreciate the beauty of the entire village. So, you have the view of this beautiful swimming pool and amenities, which is later mapapakita ko sa inyo yan pagbaba natin. And ang ganda lang nito because hindi tinipid sa amenities, no? So sobrang lawak niya. Later papakita ko sa inyo yung mga outdoor amenities natin. So dahil napakita ko na sa inyo yung amenities natin here at the second floor, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung outdoor amenity nitong Central Clubhouse natin or itong Arden Clubhouse. So upon entering here dito sa clubhouse, grabe yung hangin, as in nakakaantok siya. But let's just appreciate itong mga outdoor seating areas natin, no? Well, to the unit owners and sa mga retirees, no, sa mga nagbabalak magkaroon ng dream home, imagine dito kayo nagla-lounge, watching your kids playing dito sa ating playground, no? And then of course, watching your kid also dito sa playroom natin, sa child daycare natin, or watching your kid, your family, yung mga lola, and yung mga kids natin, no, na nagsuswimming dito. Let's just appreciate the vibe nitong natural swimming pool. Ganda. Grabe. By the way, sobrang inviting niya. Kasi towards summer na yung panahon, no? Medyo mainit na. Pero if you take a look, sobrang hangin po dito. Actually, yung team namin is having a hard time magpalipad ng drone because ang sarap lang ng hangin. And let's just appreciate this area. And by the way, in this side, nandito yung shower room natin, no? So, let's check. So, ayan siya. Para lang makita nyo yung shower room natin. And if you take a look here, andito naman yung tree house for the kids. But, no, maybe let's proceed this way na lang. You have lots of loungers in this side. Grabe, ang ganda ng clubhouse, no? Imagine if you own a property here or a lot here for as low as 16,000 pesos per month, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Sinong may ayaw nitong ganito kagandang property? For only 16,000 pesos with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest, or a total of 13 million pesos, no? Well, anyway, after 5 years, you can bank finance your balances or you can pay in advance to pay off all your property. After 5 years, once the development outside is natayo na siya, the estate is running na with the commercial district, the offices, the shops, the town center. Hindi na ito yung presyo na. Just like our McKinley Hill Village, Alabang West, no? Magiging ganun din yung presyo niya or near to that price in the future. But alam mo yung pag dito ka tumira, look, when you live here, lagi na lang maganda yung paligid mo. And actually, yun yung tagline nitong project. Ang ganda ng village. And as you can see in this area, no, makikita nyo yung other side nitong swimming pool natin. And then, of course, itong trees natin, I think, anong klaseng puno ito? Ito yung sa Baguio, di ba? Para siyang pine trees, no? And let's just appreciate also the other side of this clubhouse, part of the outdoor amenities, which is the tree house. So, imagine growing up your kids in this kind of village where they can freely move, no? Freely silang madumihan. Grabe. Alam mo, ang sarap mag-retire dito. I'm talking to my videographer, by the way. Ang sarap bumili ng property dito, guys. It's something na in the future, no? Pwede niyong hide out or hide. Parang ano siya, pag sobrang stress ka na sa life, you can actually go here as your escape. So let's go up, papunta ng taas ng treehouse natin. As you can see, no, ang ganda ng view rin dito. And wow, grabe. Look at this side, no? Grabe, sobrang ganda. As in, wala akong masabi. So this tree house, this is where your kids will play. Diba? Ang tataas lang ng fence ng mga balcony just to make your kids secure. Grabe. What I appreciate here in tree house is connected pala siya. So, imagine you, no, kahit ako na adult na ako, I really appreciate this the architecture of this tree house. Ang ganda. And look, imagine your house facing the pool with this kind of view. And imagine your property or your home is just beside this clubhouse or this Centrera Park. Grabe. And by the way, we have an available lot just right there beside this clubhouse. It's 400 plus square meters. I'm gonna flash in the screen yung availability ng lot na to. Again, this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest, no? For as low as 16,000 pesos for a 280 square meter lot. Imagine, 16,000 pesos for a 280 square meter lot. All I can say, in here, your house is maybe facing here or beside the Centrera Park or in any part of this village. You have the connection in this Centrera Park and the clubhouse, which is the main center point or main attraction and amenities in this village. Grabe naman yun. 5 years to pay, 0% interest. So if you're interested in this property, guys, no, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina with the promo terms that we have here, no, if a-flash ko sa screen yung mga lot availability namin, don't worry because we have very few available lots pa in here as you can see, no? Imagine having that kind of view, no? And right now, since it's a 5-year term, 5 years to pay at 0% interest, it's not the question na how you gonna pay or how you gonna reserve, no? The real question is, when you will start or how early you'll be part of it. Kasi once the township is already developed, this price, hindi na ito yung presyo niya. So right now, you can avail this one for as low as 16,000 pesos per month. No down payment and 0% interest, no? You can already be part of this clubhouse. So guys, no, grabe naman talaga. Wala akong masabi with this kind of amenities and features natin dito sa Arden Botanical Village. And all I can say, right now, the remaining lots that we have in our lot availability is very limited supply. Again, no guys, very limited lang pong mag-create ng development si Mega World when it comes to lots mostly condominiums development siya. But then, no, Megaworld still wanted everyone to have access sa mga premium developments like this. And the good news, with this remaining lot availability namin, with this kind of access and amenities, imagine, no, the 16,000 that you have in your bank account, or if you can save your money dito sa mga real estate assets natin, let's say, yung mga clients na nagsasave ng money, no, it's also good to invest in lot properties because lot appreciate over time exponentially. And imagine what 16,000 can give you, no, with annual lump sum at 0% interest. It can give you this kind of resort-inspired botanical theme village. And imagine the 280 square meter na property nyo, you can build your dream retirement home. To all OFW clients, no, na working hard abroad, dun sa mga kababayan natin sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na wanted to have this kind of retirement home and this kind of community, it's your chance to own a piece of this Arden Botanical Village. It's one of a kind. It's designed by Paulo Alcazaren, and it's a 251 township, largest township in Megaworld portfolio. And all I can say, soon, once na-develop na ang township developments natin, like yung mga commercial district, no, yung mga shop house district natin, soon, hindi lang ito yung magiging presyo niya. Your property will appreciate over time once developed na itong mga township natin or itong buong township natin. At dahil napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong Arden Botanical Village and the clubhouse itself, meron akong lot recommendation sa inyo. So this one, as you can see, no, you are just beside this clubhouse or Arden Clubhouse. And this one is Block 7, Lot 26. And by the way, guys, this is 492 square meter lot. So guys, no, medyo malaki siyang lot. It's 492 square meters. And the good thing, beside ka mismo nito clubhouse natin. And pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano to kaganda because this 492 square meters, you will just pay for as low as 29,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 0% interest in 5 years. You can already own this 492 square meter lot. So, one of the feature nito, tara, tignan natin. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, no, napakaganda ng lote na to, guys, because in this lot, all the lots kasi beside this clubhouse is meron siyang access beside this swimming pool area. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa side na to, no, nandito na agad tayo sa pool area mismo ng clubhouse natin. So, andito na tayo sa natural swimming pool with loungers. So, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo is this is an extension of your property already. So, ulitin ko lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, dito, no, maglalagay ka lang dito ng mini fence, no, just to have an access here. And tamang-tama, guys, hindi nyo na po kailangan magpatayo ng swimming pool dito sa mismong lote na to dahil meron na tayong pool access. So, i-flash ko ulit sa screen yung sample computation nitong lot. This lot is the price is 23 million net of discount. Pero guys, no, dahil 5 years to pay naman siya at 0% interest, starts 29,000 per month with annual lump sum, no? Anytime naman, you can pay advance payment. After 5 years, hindi na ito ang presyo niyan. Once na matayo ang shop house district, commercial district, institutional, the school, and the offices na gagawin dito sa Arden. Again, this is Block 7, Lot 26, 492 square meter. You can already own this lot with only 70,000 pesos reservation fee, and then after 30 days, you will start paying 29,000. So, guys, kunin nyo na to. Sobrang ganda na to. If you're interested, you may contact me in my number, +63 977 4300 276. You may contact me in my number below if you're interested in this property because this is the last lot available beside this clubhouse. Guys, ulitin ko lang, this is the last lot available po beside this clubhouse because sabi ko nga kanina sa previous vlog ko, very limited lang yung mga lots na katabi nitong clubhouse. Ganda lang kasi yung property mo, kadikit niya mismo. May link ka or may access ka diretso mismo sa swimming pool. So, call now if you want to reserve this lot. And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo, if you love corner lot, sa mga clients no, na gusto ng corner lot, ang ganda lang kasi this one is Bellflower Street, corner Elwood Street. So dahil botanical tayo, ang ganda ng pangalan ng streets natin. And this is at Block 6, Lot 33 at 390 square meter. Medyo close to 400 square meter. 10 square meters na lang, 400 square meter na siya. And yes po, this is a corner lot po, no? At 390 square meter. And the promo of for as low as 25,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 0% interest in 5 years, you can already own this Block 6, Lot 33 at 390 square meters. Yes po, sa mga clients natin, OFW abroad, or sa mga local clients na nagdi-dream na makapag-invest dito sa Premium Village ni Mega World, no? For only 70,000 pesos, i-reserve nyo lang tong lot na to, and after 30 days, you can start paying for as low as 25,000 per month. Again guys, after 5 years, ulitin ko, no? Bakit ko ba siya lagi ulit, no? Why I'm saying this? Kasi guys, all the Mega World Township, guys, once nag-mature ito, na-develop, especially yung commercial district natin, guys, iba na po ang presyo. To think na, no, very limited lang gumawa ng village, and lots po are exponential in price increase. Kumbaga, if i-compare natin sa mga buildings, yung lote, as time pass by and more developments within its area, no, more high-end developments, more offices, more institutional, and many more, mas nagtataas ang lupa. Wala siyang limit. That's the good thing of this. And of course, part tayo ng township, which is at 251 hectares. Again guys, sobrang baba ng monthly nito for as low as 25,000 per month, and anytime, you can pay advance payment naman po. Maybe after 5 years, half of it nabayaran nyo na, no? So konti na lang yung balance natin. So sa mga clients na nagla-land banking, guys, call me if you're interested. You can already reserve this lot for only 70,000 pesos and 25,000 pesos per month. And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo is this Block 2, Lot 73. It's a 280 square meter perimeter lot. But by the way, no guys, sobrang mura lang nito. As for the price, it's only 13 million in total. But then, no, since naka-promo kami this March, for as low as 16,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest, you can already own a 280 square meter lot here. Again guys, no, sa mga OFW, sa mga clients natin na yung hard-earned money nila abroad, or sa mga local clients natin na nag-dream na to own a high-end or premium lot at Mega World or here inside the Arden Botanical Village, guys, you only have to reserve it for only 70,000 pesos. Yes po, and after 30 days, you can start paying this lot for as low as 16,000 pesos per month. And meron ka ng ganitong 280 square meter lot na. So guys, again, this is Block 2, Lot 73. By the way, i-flash ko sa screen, it's also near the clubhouse. But then, no, guys, ang baba lang na amortization niya, it's only 16,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, no, incremental terms. And after 5 years, hindi naman na ito yung value niya. So, anytime naman, mga clients, you can pay in advance after 5 years, no, hindi natin namamalayan, medyo maliit na yung balance niya. So, maybe we can pay it in full as long as you pay advance payment naman. If you're interested in this property at this price and at this amortization rate, you may call me in my number below. So, call me now because very limited na lang po yung 280 square meter lot natin dito. And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo is sobrang close lang dito sa ating clubhouse. So by the way guys, no, this is our main clubhouse as you can see. And of course, no, katabi natin yung clubhouse parking. And syempre yung mga function hall. This lot is located at Block 9, Lot 3A, which is just here at 340 square meters. So guys, no, sobrang ganda nitong lot na to because this is at 340 square meters. Malaki din yung lote niya, but guess what? This is only 16.5 million, no? Yes, yan yung price. But then, this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest or for as low as 20,000 pesos per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest with 20,000 pesos per month in 5 years, no? Sobrang gaan niya lang nun with annual lump sum. So guys, ang lapit niya pa sa clubhouse, you just across the clubhouse and the amenity. So dito, i-reserve nyo lang to ulit for 70,000 sa mga OFW clients na naghahanap na mapaglalagyan ng money nila. Guys, sobrang ganda mag-invest ng lote dito sa Arden. Guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung village na to. Some of the village dito sa Pilipinas, no, ang dami kasing vacant and ang dami din naman talaga na nagiging ghost village. But dito sa Arden Botanical Village and Estate, as you can see, no, may dalawang tinatayo na agad dito na bahay. So, what does it mean, no? Guys, ang ganda lang because most of the buyers and the neighborhood na meron dito is nagpapatayo na sila. It's a sign na soon magkakaroon na agad siya ng community and very soon, no, mabilis ang development ng township. It's a sign na very soon ang mga shops, ang mga commercial district is magtatayuan na. And ang galing lang because ang daming mga clients and pagka nagawa na lahat ng developments dito and napuno na to ng community, no, hindi na siya yung parang kagaya ng mga ibang village na nagiging ghost town or nagiging vacant. Kasi ang daming nag-hold lang ng lot or ang dami lang na for keeps. But here, more on end use siya. It's a good sign na itong village na to is soon to be a community. So, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo because very soon, if you're dreaming or planning to build your dream house, pwede kayong magpatayo. And ang ganda lang kasi when we move closer sa mga design ng bahay, it's very nice because yung team nila is Scandinavian house. So, pag natayo dito yung bahay, I'm very excited na makita ano kaya yung mga designs, no? Mga Scandinavian vibe. And excited kami makita ano na yung vibe nitong lugar na mafe-feel ba namin na para kaming nasa ibang bansa. Ganun ba? Because ang ganda talaga ng design. So, kung makikita nyo yung mga board up nitong mga bahay. So, yun lang. And ang ganda. I really appreciate this clubhouse and this village, the whole Arden. So guys, imagine being part of this Arden Botanical Estate. Grabe, you're not just buying lot here. What you're buying is being part of the estate and township. And the community that you have here is so good to the point na nagpapatayo na agad sila ng house. And ito yung sinasabi ko lagi sa mga clients ko na you're not just buying Mega World brand or a Mega World property or just lot. You're buying the lifestyle that you really want for your family. You're buying the laid-back community. You're buying peace. And you're buying home. Ang ganda because imagine waking up with this kind of scenery. Ang ganda. Imagine having cup of coffee dito, no? And imagine living here in Arden. Again, no, maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta sa akin sa aking vlog. Again, this is Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Mega World Alpha. And sa mga clients ko, sa mga buyers ko, and sa mga nanonood sa akin, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagsuporta sa aking vlog. Again, no, if you have the chance to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, please do so. Maraming salamat po. And hindi po ako magsasawang magpakita and mag-show sa inyo ng mga good deals offer ni Mega World. And again, this is Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Mega World Alpha, and always reminding you sa mga OFW abroad, sa mga local clients, no matter how life takes you, home will always be the Philippines. Thank you, good night, see you tomorrow, and see you in my next vlog.